And welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. My name is Dr. Spencer Cromwell, and today we'll be placing 2 mini dental implants using a surgical stent for tooth number 19. So John, you're gonna feel a little vibration, some water. If you feel anything sharp, you raise that left hand, okay? And we'll stop right away. And open. I'm actually gonna use, let's see if I can fit this drill guide in here. Close a little and open. Any pain there, John? Perfect. And 2 holes. Go back in. Awesome. All right, I'll take the first implant. Okay. All right, John, open for me. Nice and big. Thank you.
I did. How about you? How much? You know, there's gotta be something. Right. On it to go. Right. And I'm gonna do. I'm like, you know, I keep asking. Hi.
Great. So I can get this off. So sometimes with the stent, you can't advance the implant all of the way due to the shape of the CAD. So I just got to get this off. Good.
On Sunday, yeah.
Perfect. Nice and solid. The second pad hole will go. All right. And bite together, John. Together. Bite together, yes. Plenty of restorative space and open. Alrighty. So we can take our x-ray and then get you your temporary, okay? Thank you for watching today's Monday Morning Minute, where we place 2 mini dental implants, both 2.5 by 15 millimeters for site number 19. See you next time on the next Monday Morning Minute.
Join us this fall in Buffalo on Friday, September 19th and Saturday, September 20th for an intro course on mini dental implants. Come learn how this amazing procedure is helping so many people throughout America. And learn from Dr. Todd Shatkin, who's placed over 45,000 mini dental implants in his career. So come and learn from the best out here in Buffalo, New York. We'll see you soon.